Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
I'm Emma.
And I'm David.
Thank you for listening today.
We are happy you are here.
Today's topic is my best friend.
Everyone has a friend.
Some people have many friends.
Some people have one best friend.
A best friend is very special.
Today, we will talk about best friends.
We will use easy English.
Please listen carefully.
Repeat after us if you can.
Let's begin. What is a best friend?
David, what is a best friend?
A best friend is someone you trust.
A best friend is kind.
A best friend helps you.
A best friend listens to you.
A best friend makes you smile.
A best friend stays with you.
Even during hard times.
That is true.
Friends make life happier.
I agree. Meet my best friend. My best friend's name is Lily.
How old is Lily?
She is 26 years old.
Is she tall?
Yes, she is tall.
What does she look like?
She has blonde hair.
Does she wear glasses?
Sometimes she does.
Is she friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
Is she funny?
Yes, she tells many jokes.
That sounds fun.
She always makes me laugh. My best friend.
My best friend's name is Michael.
How old is he?
He is 28 years old.
What does he look like?
He has short brown hair.
Is he tall?
Yes, he is.
Is he kind?
Very kind.
What does he like?
He likes soccer.
Does he like music?
Yes, he loves music.
Nice. Where did you meet Michael?
We met at school.
How old were you?
We were 10 years old.
Wow.
We sat next to each other.
Then what happened?
We started talking.
Did you become friends quickly?
Yes, we did.
That's wonderful.
My story. Where did you meet Lily?
We met at work.
Was she new?
Yes, it was her first day.
Did you help her?
Yes, I showed her around.
Then you became friends?
Yes.
Now you are best friends.
That's right.
What do you and Lily do together?
We drink coffee.
Nice.
We watch movies.
Sounds fun.
We go shopping.
Anything else?
We walk in the park.
Very relaxing.
Yes.
What about you?
What do you and Michael do together?
We play soccer.
Great.
We ride bicycles.
Nice.
We eat pizza.
Yum.
We also play video games.
Sounds exciting. Why is Michael your best friend?
Because he is honest.
Good answer.
He always tells the truth.
Anything else?
He helps me.
That's important.
He never gives up on me.
A true friend. Why is Lily your best friend?
She understands me.
That's nice.
She listens carefully.
Does she help you?
Yes, every time.
Does she positive?
Yes.
Wonderful. A happy memory. Tell me a happy memory.
We went to the beach.
What did you do?
We swam.
Nice.
We played volleyball.
Sounds fun.
We watched the sunset.
Beautiful.
What about you?
Lily and I went camping.
Really?
Yes.
Did you cook?
Yes, we cooked dinner.
Did you sleep in a tent?
Yes.
Was it fun?
Very fun.
Helping each other.
Has Lily ever helped you?
Yes.
What happened?
I was sick.
Oh no.
She brought me food.
That was thoughtful.
She also called me every day.
She is a wonderful friend.
Has Michael helped you?
Yes. Tell us.
I lost my wallet.
Really?
He helped me find it.
Good friend.
Yes, he is.
Good friend vocabulary. Emma, let's learn some words.
David. Kind.
Kind means nice.
David. Honest.
Honest means telling the truth.
David. Helpful.
Helpful means ready to help.
David. Funny.
Funny means making people laugh.
David, friendly.
Friendly means kind to everyone.
David, loyal.
Loyal means staying by your side.
Questions for you. Now it's your turn.
What is your best friend's name?
How old is your friend?
Where did you meet?
What does your friend like?
What do you do together?
Why is your friend special?
Think about your answers.
Say them out loud.
Useful sentences. Listen and repeat.
David, this is my best friend.
Emma, my best friend is kind.
David, we met at school.
Emma, we like to play soccer.
David, we watch movies together.
Emma, we help each other.
David, my friend is honest.
Emma, my friend makes me laugh.
David, I am happy to have a best friend.
Mini conversation. Hi, David.
Hi, Emma.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Michael.
What does he like?
He likes soccer.
What do you do together?
We play soccer every weekend.
Is he funny?
Yes, very funny.
That's great. Pronunciation practice. Best friend.
Best friend.
Good friend.
Good friend.
Nice person.
Nice person.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you soon.
Have a great day.
Review. Today we learned about best friends.
We learned new words.
Kind.
Honest.
Helpful.
Friendly.
Funny.
Loyal.
We also practiced easy conversations.
Keep practicing every day.
Goodbye.
Thank you for listening.
We hope you learned something new.
Practice English every day.
Speak without fear.
Little by little, you will improve.
We believe in you.
Please like this episode.
Share it with your friends.
Subscribe for more beginner English lessons.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons.
Bye, everyone.